guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my makeup and I'm just going to chat a little bit with you guys because it was such a long time ago and I have really been missing it because I have been super busy with school, with all of my other things. Like, no, it's mostly school, to be honest. So anyways, let's get started. There has been a lot of things in my life, especially with my education, so I haven't really had time to make a video or felt like I could prioritize that. So I'm soon also going to have a Teams meeting. I'm just going to do like an everyday light feminine makeup. I'm just gonna put up my hair, and I do have a lot of new things since I last made a makeup video with you guys, I think. So first of all, I'm going to use Caia Cosmetics That Extra Hydration. This is actually my mom's because I'm just kind of taking a little bit of her right now because I don't want to buy a new one at the moment. I really like this setting spray. I like Caia overall. You will see on my makeup that I have been really investing my money into Caia Cosmetics. The one that I had before that is empty now is That Dewy Look, which is so good, but I feel like I really look very almost sweaty because I do have oily skin already, or like combination to oily skin. So I did feel at the end of the day that I looked a little bit like sweaty almost, and I do not like that, but I don't get the same feeling with this. So I'm just going to start off with putting this on just as like a base kind of thing. So I'm just taking a little bit, not too much, and then I'm going to go in with Caia. I can almost say that this is an all-face Caia Cosmetics look, almost. So this is the Caia, what is this? Golden Glow. This is like a glow type of cream, I would say. I use this on my face just to add some glow and life. This time right now, I just look so dull and like dead almost, so I'm just going to put it like this. And I forgot that I need to set up my mirror. There we go. So I'm just gonna put it like here as well, kind of blend it in, and as you can see, it immediately gives this glow and like bronze. Whenever I apply products, I only use my fingertips because I don't want the product to go into my hand, and I need to put on a little bit of lip balm as well. So I have been breaking out a little bit recently. I just washed my brushes and I feel like it is a lot better now. Of course, we all know, wash your brushes once a week. Like, who has time for that? I seriously don't. So I did wash them and it feels so much better now. I did use them once though, like yesterday, since I washed. So I'm just going to spray like one on the brush, and this brush is from I don't know actually. And here's my Caia foundation. This is its iconic foundation. It looks like this. I'm just going to, and it's almost empty. I do have another one, but there is a lot of product left even if it doesn't come out with like with the pump. So I'm just going to take it out like this, and as you can see, does like run almost. So I'm just gonna put it like this. So there is actually a lot of product on here. Okay, so where have I been? Like, what have I been up to these past like months almost? I have been really busy with like group projects. So we do have a presentation in 2 days, and I do still need to write like what I'm gonna say. I know like my info, I do have the information, but I don't actually know exactly what I'm gonna say and word it. So I just need to write down and like put it into my brain so I have it just like that. Now, I didn't do my eyeshadow today, I realized, because I usually do my eyeshadow before I put on foundation. But you know what? I can just get eyeshadow today actually. I have like an hour to 50 minutes before my meeting starts. Next week I'm starting my internship and I'm super excited for this. Like, you don't understand. I have been waiting for this for such a long time because when I replied, like there's a lot of companies that don't take interns, or it's like very hard to get an internship at their company. So I did reach out to this one company in Sweden. It's called Stockholm Beauty Week. It is like this event where a lot of beauty companies gather and just show their products and things. So that is really exciting since I love beauty, as you can see. Like beauty is one of my #1 favorite thing. I just think it's so fun to play around with, and same with clothes. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some concealer. I'm wondering if I'm gonna do my eyeshadow or not. I feel like not today. Just gonna put some concealer here. So this internship, what I'm gonna do there. Okay, so first of all, I reached out and was like, hey, I'm studying this at this school and we're going to have an internship soon. I would like to, I'm interested in these subjects, like learning more about marketing, maybe some content, you know. She responded within like an hour, so that was perfect. And I did get an interview. We met up. It was super like good. Everything went so well. And then I have another friend that she was also looking for an internship, and I told her like reach out, maybe she can take 2, like who knows. And she got it, so we got it together, and now we will be planning everything together, which is super good and nice because you always have, like, you have someone to talk to, and like you might have different perspectives and ideas, and you know, you don't have to do everything by yourself, but it's like, it's just nice to have someone else with you as well, even if I can't do it like myself, but it's just so much fun to do together. Cleo, nej. Cleo, kolla här, kolla. Yeah, whatever. So she also reached out. We got an interview together as well, just so she could feel our energy and that we weren't like enemies or anything, that it was just like good vibes. And it really went so well. We got like 4 bags with products that we're going to market. So we're going to create some content with these products. And these bags, they were so heavy. We went over each and every single product and like what they're for and what is the company and everything like that. So now we're just gonna create some content and post it on Instagram and TikTok and, you know, social media overall. And it's just gonna be so fun. Also that you get to plan everything by yourself. That is like super fun, but it's also like a lot of responsibility if you have this much responsibility, because this is not a test. Like, this is a real company. It is it's marketing for their real event that's gonna happen, and we're all gonna be there. And like, if you screw something up, what if no one shows up? What if the marketing goes completely to the wrong audience, or like completely like bad? I don't know. So it feels like a lot of pressure as well. So if you live in Stockholm, you should really visit Stockholm Beauty Week, and it's a big event. The tickets aren't even that expensive either. I think it's like 2 people for 150, which is like a good price. We're also gonna do like giveaways and, you know, other fun things. I think we're gonna do giveaways, especially like on the event. I am going to like dye my hair, because they're also like having a collaboration with October Stockholm, which is like a hairdressing like salon, and they do sell like hair dyes, and we're going to market them. And I also want to dye my hair. Oh, my hair is like falling in back, whatever. I want to get it a little bit lighter at the ends, and I just feel like this is my destiny. Like, now that I also get to do it with this, when they said that we could dye our hair, I was like, yes please, yes please. So that will be super fun. Both me and Amanda is my friend that I'm gonna do this internship with. Both of us are educated hairdressers, so that is also extremely fun that we get to do this. I am using the Caia, I don't even know the name of this one because I did buy the wrong one. I wanted to buy the bigger one. This is like a powder. This is Wake Me Up Powder Banana. So this is what I'm using right now to set my concealer under my eyes. Also, another thing, I downloaded Nextory and started to listen to a lot of books on there. Wait, I also need a little bit of powder on my forehead. So I did download Nextory. I've been listening to so many books, and they're like, it's just what I'm listening to right now. I don't even listen that much to podcasts anymore. So I have been listening because I'm so obsessed with Bridgerton, and I can't wait for the new season to come out. So I have been listening to like Bridgerton with Colin, Benedict. I'm on Eloise's story right now, and it is like, I mean, I did listen so much in the beginning that I kind of like wanted a break from it. So yesterday I listened to I started listening to books about money and like economy and those type of things. So I wanted to start off with the one and only famous Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I have 40 minutes left, and I started like 2 days ago. So I have been listening so much like whenever I had a chance. And the thing is, I cannot read books. Like, I know reading books makes you so much smarter and blah 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 everything, but seriously, it doesn't work for me because I never have time for that. Like, I cannot fit that into my schedule. It's like that simple. So whenever I listen, like, I can listen when I'm on the way to my school, I can listen when I go grocery shopping, I can listen when I go out with my dog, I can listen when I clean, do the dishes, like vacuuming the house. Like, I can listen all day long when I'm not like busy with having to listen to something else. So I just feel like listening to books is like my thing right now because I never have time to read them. But I would love to have a book that I can read, but I know that I read so slowly that I would never finish, like literally. This is the, what is it called? Push Up Brow Gel Clear. While I let this sit, I'm gonna start with bronzer, and I'm using, this is not Caia, this is Smashbox. I'm using Cali contour. Looks like this. It's kind of used, as you can see, but I mean, it works really good. This is what I use as my contour, and I'm just using this brush from Caia. It's kind of big. It's a little bit too big actually to be a contour brush, but I actually don't care because it works fine. It works so good on me though. So I'm just going to put it like here. Like, my hair is kind of falling apart in the back, as you can see. I'm so happy that this group project is almost over. Like, I'm so done with having group projects. Like, no offense to anyone that I have been working with, like, some projects has been really fun and some has just been like, this one has been fun, but it's also been so stressful because we did have only like 2 weeks to finish, and it was so many things that we got to do and that had to be done. Like, we have been so stressed and everything, like, ugh. So last Friday we sat from 1 in the afternoon until like it had been 7 hours, guys. When we were done with the meeting and had done the report that had to be done that day, so we thought, because we clearly misunderstood when the report was about to be sent in. Apparently the report was supposed to be in tomorrow, but we thought it was last Friday. So we sat from 1 o'clock until like 8 in the evening. But that's how long we sat on our Friday, like just like that. Just like that. It was so depressing. I just wanted to have my weekend. I think we all just wanted it to be done, but we also wanted it to be done correctly. And when we were done with the Teams meeting, it was like 7 hours. It had been 7 hours straight doing the report, fixing the budget, like correcting things. Oh my lord, and I'm so sick of this. I'm just waiting for this interns to begin because I just don't want to do any more group projects. And she was sleeping so good until I turned on the camera. Now she wants to play. She was sleeping until I seriously put on the camera to record. Yeah. And then I'm going to have my Teams meeting and she will be so unhappy with me because I'm giving her too little attention. She loves attention, but who doesn't? I also love attention. Anyways, going in with my bronze, no, not bronzer, blush. I'm just using this. It's like a very, I don't even know what to call that color or shade. But it looks very good on me. That's what I know about it. So yeah, just putting it right here. I don't know if I'm gonna use like eyeliner today or anything. I don't think I will. No, actually I won't. I just want it to be like very light and neutral. I don't know if I should say neutral, but not too much. I think I'm just gonna go with mascara. By the way, the mascara that I used was the Caia Cosmetics mascara Vanz Volume. Yeah, this is the one. Looks like this. It's very good. I love this mascara actually. And now I'm going to move on with Caia Cosmetics lip liner, which is Lovisa. I love this because it looks like super neutral and or like natural. It just kind of marks my lips a little bit more. This is what it looks like at the moment. I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Fussy. And I'm just gonna put it like this. And a little bit on top. Oh, you see, because it looks very like kind of natural. It's just natural colors, nothing crazy. So this is the makeup. I'm gonna go in with Caia, that extra hydration again, not too much, just a little bit. So there you have it. This is my makeup look for today. My hair is a little bit I don't know what's going on with my hair, but it is what it is. And my dog is just here buffing around. So this is what it looks like if it's more zoomed in. Maybe I should have done my makeup this zoomed in. Maybe like next time I'm gonna do it like this, I think. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer like this or when it's like more out? Anyways, so this is what the like results, I guess. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe if you like beauty and fashion content, because that is what I'm going to post my makeup and I post my channel. And I know that I have not been consistent lately just because I had so much schoolwork. I have so much time during my internship. I'm just going to keep trying to come back to a consistent schedule. We will see how that goes, but I'm not going to promise anything. I just know that I am gonna do my best trying to get back on here with you guys, because I really love doing this. I really miss doing this as well. Anyways guys, so thank you guys so much for watching and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye.